Bakit? Ilang taon ka na ba? Hi, Richard. Baby face lang naman ako. But I'll take that as compliment. Okay, baby. Okay, baby. Sana. Pautang nga ako dyan. May kiss me gift ka ba dyan? Baka naman. I'm old, lapit na mawala sa... Uy, grabe naman. Huwag ka naman magsabi ng ganyan. Domino, hello. And all but gold. Yan, ganyan. True. Ulaan ko. Nasa 40? Or 40? Nasa 40s? Andy, hello. You gave me a reading to my love. Grabe. 30s. Sabi mo old eh. Eh, yun naman yung old. Yun yung preference ko ng old. Yun nga yung preference ko ng old. You gave me a meaning to... Hi, Fido. Fido Tido. Feed? Sino ikaw? Capybara. Mag-send kayo ng isang 1K. Desisyon? Ang desisyon ko, no? Taga saan ka ba? Taga sa amin. Ikaw ba? Hi, Amber! Antok na ang babae na to. LH, hello. Ba't ka natawa? I'm so sleepy. Eric, hello. Hello? Do you want some water? I don't like water. Do you want to look at the mirror? Nababaliw na ako dito. Ah! Charis. Muntik na mahulog. Goy Jack, hello. 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 Toot toot toot. Kahit ano lang, kahit kiss me lang. Kiss me gift lang. Bago ako matulog. Get dressed tomorrow. You may continue your 2K. Wow, are you gonna give me? BRB. Visit. Are you gonna give me the 2K? But thanks for the concern. I appreciate it. Hi, Gayla. Taran, taran, taran. Eman, thanks for tapping, guys. You gave me a meaning to my life, and I love. I don't feel like. John Dilbert, hello.